Bank reconciliation. Both businesses and bank keep a record of all cash transactions between them. A business can compare the records to verify its cash balance. This comparison is called a bank reconciliation. A bank reconciliation is the process of recognizing and noting the differences between the cash balance on a bank statement and the cash balance in a business record. The purposes of a bank reconciliation. Firstly, it confirms the accuracy of both the bank's and the business cash records and updates the business records. Secondly, it determines the actual cash balance to be reported on the business cash balance. A bank reconciliation is prepared as the following: reconcile the bank balance to the actual balance, reconcile the business book balance to the actual cash balance, adjust the business book balance to the actual cash balance. Reconciling the bank balance. The bank balance will differ from the actual cash balance and therefore needs an adjustment for two reasons. The first reason relates to the deposits and payments made by the business not reflected. This includes deposit in transit and outstanding check. Deposit in transit is where the deposit is made by the business but has not been cleared by the bank statement date. Outstanding check is a check that has been distributed by the business but has not been cleared by the bank as of statement date, often because it has not been deposited. The second reason relates to the errors made by the business. Reconciling the business book balance. The business book balance is likely to differ from the actual balance and therefore needs adjustment. The first reason relates to bank activities that change a business cash balance but have not been changed by the business. The bank may notify the business an addition to the cash balance on the bank statement, which is a credit memorandum, while a subtraction to the cash balance on the bank statement is a debit memorandum. Adjusting the cash balance. The third step in a bank reconciliation is to record the journal entries necessary to adjust the business book balance to the actual cash balance.